Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your host. So picture this. I'm in freaking Rome, right? The Trevi Fountain, gelato in hand, living the dream. And then it hits me. I forgot my phone charger. Yeah, I know. Rookie mistake. That's when I realized packing efficiently is serious business. A well-packed bag can be the difference between an epic adventure and a total disaster. This video is your ultimate guide to packing like a pro. Listen, I get it. Packing lists seem about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, they're lifesavers. Imagine forgetting your underwear on a trip. Don't be that guy. Write it down. Speaking of forgetting things, I once went to a film festival without packing pants. Yeah, you heard me right. I basically lived in shorts and board shorts for a week. Let's just say it wasn't pretty. Newsflash. You don't need to pack your entire wardrobe for a trip. The key is versatile clothing, my friends. Think neutral colors, mix and match pieces, and layers for different weather conditions. Learn from my mistakes, people. Diversify your travel wardrobe. Let's talk about those tiny bottles of shampoo and conditioner. They're not just cute, they're freaking essential. Trust me, nobody wants to be the person holding up the airport security line because they forgot to transfer their shampoo into a travel-sized bottle. Save yourself the embarrassment and invest in some travel-sized toiletries. The unsung hero, your trusty travel bag. Your travel bag is your trusty sidekick. It's got to be sturdy and spacious and stylish enough to make you look like a jet setter. I've had my fair share of bag disasters. Once my backpack exploded in the airport. Clothes, snacks, you name it, went flying. Don't leave home without essential documents. This one's a no-brainer, folks. Passports, visas, driver's license, hotel confirmations. Keep all your important documents organized and easily accessible. I've got this friend, right? Total space cadet. He once showed up at the airport for an international flight without his passport. You can guess how the rest of that story went. Don't be like my friend. Be prepared for anything. The importance of a first aid kit. Accidents happen, my friends. That's why a well-stocked first aid kit is non-negotiable. Band-aids for blisters, pain relievers for headaches, antiseptic wipes for those questionable street food decisions. You never know when you might need it. I once sliced my finger open trying to cut a mango on a beach in Bali. Let's just say having a first aid kit on hand made that whole situation a lot less messy. Stay charged up. Portable chargers are your new best friend. In today's digital age, a dead phone is a traveler's worst nightmare. Enter the portable charger, your savior in times of low battery anxiety. Airports are a battleground for outlets, trust me. I've seen full-on brawls erupt over a charging station. Don't be that person. Pack a portable charger and stay powered up no matter where your adventures take you. Outsmart airport food. Pack your own travel snacks. Airport food is a special kind of torture. It's overpriced, underwhelming, and often leaves you feeling more hangry than satisfied. I'm convinced that airport food vendors operate on a captive audience pricing model. They know you're hungry and desperate, so they charge an arm and a leg for a soggy sandwich. Don't fall for it. Pack your own snacks and save your money for something way more exciting. Beat boredom entertainment for long flights and layovers. Long flights and layovers test your patience, but fear not. Books, podcasts, movies, a little entertainment goes a long way. I once had a 10-hour layover in Dubai. By the end, I was contemplating talking to a plant. Learn from my mistakes, pack some entertainment. Stay hydrated. Like a pro, the reusable water bottle is your secret weapon. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're traveling, but buying bottled water every 5 seconds gets expensive and wasteful. Solution: a reusable water bottle, my friends. I once hiked the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, and let me tell you, staying hydrated was no joke. I carried my trusty reusable water bottle everywhere and felt like a superhero every time I refilled it at a water fountain. Pack smart, travel far. So there you have it, folks. My top 10 travel essentials. Hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and stories. Share your packing tips and travel disasters in the comments below. May your travels be smooth, your bags light, and adventures unforgettable. Peace out.